graduation, parents, friends, good afternoon. It is my great privilege to introduce to you our guest speaker who was my student before. In 2004, she graduated at St. Ignatius Learning Center, the second batch, as first honors or valedictorian. The same year, first place, she won first place for inter-school division contest with investigatory project entitled The Comparative Study of the Specific Gravity of Galantong, Bunulan, and Lakatan Banana Wine. Invited to join the regional level to represent Region 10 held at Ubod, Lanao del Norte at Philippine Science High School and won third place. In the year 2005, she won the first place or the champion for the inter-school division contest in a Youth for Environment School organization where she was asked to make a craft pertaining to environmental activities, issues, and concerns and defend the papers with 5 panelists. On the same year, again, she was the champion in the same contest in the regional level, were asked to move on to the national level and represent Mindanao, held at Baguio City. In 2006, still first place for the inter-school division contest, parliamentary producer. Second place for the regional level at Balay de Bugnon. In 2007, she joined school paper, the Miss Orient Torch, as associate editor for English publication. She was invited to compete as copy reader for the English department. She won the first place in the division contest at Alubihid and second place for regional level at Valencia Bugnon. In 2007, straight first section or science class at Misamis Oriental General Comprehensive High School. And she was straight first honors from first year to fourth year high school. In 2008, she graduated at Misamis Oriental General Comprehensive High School as first honors. She went to Xavier University and took up Bachelor of Science in Nursing and graduated at batch 2012. So the board exam last December 16 and 17, 2012 and passed the licensure exam on January 30, 2012. She was also a member of XU Council of Nursing Students. Ladies and gentlemen, my former student, Miss Kimberly Hazel S. Nambala, RN.
Graduation is always a happy occasion for most of us. We think it is the end of studying our lessons or doing our assignments. But I tell you, it is the beginning of another level of learning. To our dear pupils, your journey to higher education begins today. To our school principal, to St. Ignatius Learning Center teaching force, to our proud parents, to the graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Before I go further with my speech, dear first congratulating graduates, for today marks the attainment of your dreams. You are victors at this very moment because you have attained your victory. Today is the proof that you have surmounted the challenges of elementary education. You have acquired the necessary skills and knowledge for you in stepping to the next ladder of learning. Secondly, I would like to You have molded their skills, abilities, knowledge, and capabilities. The next persons whom I'd like to congratulate are, of course, your teachers, my fellow classmates before. You have done great responsibilities in bringing these children who and what they are now. Let us start off with something really simple. What is better than a long speech? No doubt, a short one. So you guys are very lucky because I intend to keep this short. It was like 8 years ago, upon entering my high school days, that I realized how St. Ignatius Learning Center has succeeded in the intellectual development of her students. All my achievements, as mentioned earlier, were first molded here. My dear graduates, please bear in mind that it is education that will change your lives. For this will be your winning ticket into the world full of competitiveness that you will soon embark upon. Remember that graduation is not a time to relax because it is not the end, but rather it signals another chapter of learning. Start your dreams with passion in every endeavor that you pursue. You will step up to another height, a higher level of education, and embrace this higher level of education that will soon start after your vacation. For the secondary education, which is high school, this will lead you to another height, which is college, and finally after that, will lead you to your dreams, our dreams, a better future, a prosperous and progressive future for us and the future generation. On your shoulder lies not just your own future, but on your shoulder lies the hope of the nation. But for today, throw your graduation caps in the air, smile, enjoy, have fun, and celebrate. For tomorrow will be much brighter and more joyful because your lives are changed, are being changed, and will continually be changing because of the journey you are in. That is education. Thank you. Congratulations. Good luck.